Yo, if you can't make money with this, you should just quit trying to make money online. What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, a question that I see being asked a lot online is, what is an easy way to start making money online? And in most cases, these people that ask this question usually always say, I don't have too much money to invest. You know what I'm saying? I just want something that's easy, that's, don't cost a lot, and that I can really make a decent amount of money with. So if you are one of these people, you're watching the right video. So in my opinion, one of the easiest ways to start earning money online and actually being able to earn a recurring monthly income online is Instant Recall. Now, Instant Recall is a free app that will actually pay you for referring people to the app. Now, to become eligible to receive money for referring people, it does cost. Now, I know you're gonna be like, damn it, I just said I'm one of the people, I do not have a lot of money to invest. You know what I'm saying? Even though I want to make money online, I want an online business opportunity, all that, I don't have a lot of money. Well, listen, all right? To be eligible for Instant Recall referral payments, it's only going to cost $3.99 a month. That's it. So for $3.99 a month, you will be able to earn an unlimited income with Instant Recall. So why I say this is one of the easiest ways to make money online is because once you see what Instant Recall is all about and how the pay structure is set up and how easy it is to promote, there is no damn reason why you shouldn't be making money from this opportunity. Because it's really as simple as promoting this opportunity, sharing this opportunity with other people. And the more people you share it with, the more money you can earn. And keep in mind, when you refer people, it's not like you earn money one time. You're going to earn month after month after month for every person that you refer to Instant Recall. So you can get started with Instant Recall right now. All right, all you need to do is click the first link in the description of this video. Now, when you click that link, you're going to be taken to a page. On that page, you're going to see a 4-minute, maybe almost 5-minute video that tells you all about Instant Recall, and it tells you the earning potential, which is going to blow your mind. And underneath that video, it's going to give you step by step what you need to do to get started with Instant Recall and start building up your income. Listen, all you need to do is follow these steps. It does not get any easier than this. If you are really serious about making money online, then there's no reason why you can't do this. And I've actually got questions to be like, is this real? Like, is this a real opportunity? Like, do you really get referrals and stuff? All right, I'm gonna show you right now. All right, check it out. I got 2 phones, but anyway, I got it on both of my phones, but I'll show you right now. All right, Instant Recall. All right, you can see it. See, that's what the app looks like. All right, now up here in the corner, you see my points. All right, damn. Okay, there you go. See the points? Boom. All right, you get 20 points for every person that you refer. All right, so now click on here real quick. Hopefully you ain't gonna see nobody's name, but I give you the you can see referrals. The light. All right, you see referrals right there. Scrolling, you see referrals right there, right? Those are real people that signed up for Instant Recall. So it's real. That's the app right there. So yeah, it's really that simple. A lot of people, they get involved with Instant Recall and they like try to overcomplicate it, right? They're looking for like, difficulty in it. They're trying to find a reason why they can't make it work. And it's as simple as signing up, downloading the app, Instant Recall, agreeing to become a data seller, aka being able to receive payment for referrals, right? Get your referral link and promote it. That's it, right? And the best tip is Start with people you know, because some people, they don't like to, invite their relatives or friends to opportunities because they're like, oh, I don't want them to know what I'm into and blah, blah, blah. This is something that people will thank you for, an opportunity, to make extra money by just like having an app on their phone and using it, whatever. Like, this is easy to promote. All right. So that's the first thing you need to do. Share it with people you know, and then come up with your marketing strategy, whether it be online, offline. Just get this opportunity in front of people. Do not overcomplicate this. All right. I'm done with the video. Click the link, get started, and start making money. It's that simple.